In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to Excel file. Start by launching Excel on your device. Open the Excel file you want to protect, or create a new workbook if you have not started yet. Once the file is open, you should see your grid of cells with column letters across the top and row numbers down the side. Make sure the workbook you want to lock is the one that is currently active on your screen, because the password will only apply to this open file. Now look to the very top left corner of Excel and click the File button. When you click File, Excel switches into the Backstage view. The worksheet grid disappears, and you should see a vertical menu on the left with options like Home, New, Open, and Info. This view is where Excel keeps options for saving, printing, and protecting your workbook. From there, move to that left side menu and select Info. When you click Info, the main area on the right changes. You should now see the file name at the top and details like file size and permissions. In the middle area, there is a section labeled Protect Workbook, along with other options related to version history and browser viewing. If you do not see Info, check that you really clicked File first, then come back to this step. Next up, click the Protect Workbook box in the center area. The box usually has a small icon of a padlock or shield next to it. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears directly below, listing different protection tools. Nothing is applied yet, you are just opening the menu of protection choices. With that menu open, choose Encrypt with Password. Click that option once. As soon as you select it, Excel opens a small Encrypt document window in the middle of your screen. This window has a single field where you can type a password. Encrypt with Password means Excel will require that password every time someone tries to open this workbook, not just to edit it. At this point, type your password into the box and click OK. Pick something you can remember because Excel cannot recover it later. After you click OK, Excel may prompt you to re-enter the same password to confirm it. Type it again exactly the same, then click OK one more time. If both entries match, the Encrypt document window closes, and you return to the info screen. If you see the field clear without closing, that means the two entries did not match, so try again carefully. After that, save the file to apply the lock. Click the regular Save button or use your normal save method. The next time you or anyone else opens this workbook, Excel will show a password prompt before the sheet appears. Only someone who knows the password can get into the file. You have now added a password, so your Excel file is locked from unwanted access. If this helped you secure your workbook, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Excel guides.